Hi guys, this is Umo and welcome back to Kadirecipes. In this video, I'm going to show you another delicious recipe. Really simple to make, but it takes a bit time. We call it Riz Gras Viande. I made it with beef and so much vegetable. You will love this recipe, I promise. So stay tuned for this video. Don't forget to give me my thumbs up now, and then let's get started. So guys, for the ingredients, I'm going to use 1.5 kilogram of cooked beef, 2.5 kilogram of broken jasmine rice, 625 milliliter of oil. I use 250 milliliter of oil for each kilogram of rice. For the vegetable, use what you love. I have cabbage, carrots, potatoes, sweet potatoes, cassava, and green beans. I will also add 3 fresh tomatoes. I won't add any tomato paste in this recipe. 2 tablespoons of mustard, 3 small green peppers, a bunch of parsley and basil leaf, hot peppers to your taste, 5 small onions and a head of garlic. For the spices, I will add ginger, paprika, curry powder, dry thyme, basil leaf, black pepper, and seasoning of your choice or the bouillon you like. Of course, you need some salt to your taste. The first thing I'm going to do is to add some boiling water on the rice with some salt and let this sit for at least 30 minutes. Then, in a large pot, I'm going to heat my oil and start with frying the vegetables. This is just to give them a nice color and it's completely optional. You can omit this step if you like. Once the vegetables are brown, remove them and set aside. In a blender or a food processor, mix the garlic with onions, add in the green peppers, add the basil leaf, add the parsley. You can add some hot peppers if you like, but my kids wanted that, so I'm not going to add it. Mix all this together and set aside. On the pre-cooked beef, add the mustard with some black pepper. Add a bit of each spicy like curry powder, paprika, ginger, dry thyme, and the seasoning or bouillon you like. Mix well, then add it in the hot oil and stir fry for a few minutes. Add some of your onion mixture and keep some for the soup. Now I'm going to add the half cup of water and let this cook for a few minutes. With clean hands, I'm going to mash my fresh tomatoes. Then add it on the beef. Once the tomatoes are cooked, add all the fried vegetables. Cover with water and salt to your taste. Allow your vegetable to cook until tender. Once the vegetables are cooked, remove them and set aside. I will leave the cassava in because it takes more time to cook. Now add in the green beans if you like, it's totally optional. Add your hot peppers with the remaining spices and add the bouillon or seasoning you like. Cover with water. So guys, for me, for each kilogram of rice, I use 2 liters of water. Add the remaining onion mixture, salt to your taste, and let the soup come to a boil. Remove the cassava and hot peppers once they are cooked. Wash your rice few times until the water is completely clear. Now add the rice in the soup. Cover and let this cook for 15 minutes. Then flip the rice and reduce the heat and let this cook on low heat until done. When it's ready, serve your rice with the vegetables, lime and hot pepper and enjoy. Guys, don't forget to like my video and share it with your friends. Have a nice day.